Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys the journey from the Westin Resort Langkawi to one of the best 5-star resorts in Langkawi, the Ritz-Carlton Langkawi. I'm going to show you how lovely is their hospitality and how friendly and welcoming they are. Let's go!包在里面。Nasi kukus。这个不一样。
I think this is our welcome drink. We call it pemandangan indah as a beautiful view. You can see soft coconut water, hibiscus syrup, and also calamansi juice. So do you guys have any food allergy?
No.
Okay, maybe you can try first.
before we unbox this beautiful room, remember to subscribe to my channel, click the bell button and click all so that you won't miss any interesting video from me. Alright, are you ready? Let's go! Hi guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to know more about this room, I will have a new video in explaining more detail about this room. If you guys would like to watch it, remember to subscribe my channel now, click the bell button and click all so that you won't miss any interesting video from me, and at the same time you will receive the notification about my next video. See you guys, take care, bye.